guys, JNL's here. Welcome to the Aries Moto, the home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, nothing is easy. Old man, troublemaker behind the camera. And finally, in the last video, you guys saw us putting that all together. So it's nice and married right now. And the old man spent a little bit of time putting a starter back, but it's like a couple bolts. Wasn't really nothing worth shooting a whole video for. To tell you honest, I wasn't in the shop, so even if I wanted, I couldn't. But like I said, nothing major, just a couple things and a couple bolts, and that was it. Yeah, it's been a while. Funny story. Every single time we put a Fiat on a hoist, something like this comes along. We just got another job, like the whole thing is smashed. Somebody T-boned this car. That was brought today. So when you're putting this, what are you looking, where are you putting it?
That's how we make the, that's how, to holding it
to be level.
We make the sound head.
But you don't want to put it like this on this. That's the engine mount. So you want to definitely avoid engine mounts. And yeah, like this is the engine mount too. I need to remove the tires.
Big tire.
From the previous video, we were taking the engine out. We had to take the ball joint out. So old man is taking the ball joint right now. And he's doing that so we can install axles.
Yeah.
Putting a little bit of grease just to slide it in a little bit easier. Okay, we're good. And now that's a bungee cord.
Make that a little bit straight. Make straight.
Okay, job done. See you in the next video.
Put inside the shaft.
Axle.
Other side.
Driver's side axle. Or passenger side and now driver's side.
See, that's a little bit lift.
So that's why he was saying one side up, one side down. That's why he was trying to get a level.
Yes.
Much better.
Yes. Put a leveling. More. Little bit more. It's a leveling.
Trying to mount. It's close, huh?
Almost. Almost. Put a little bit car down. Okay, good. More.
More?
More. 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 Okay, good. Good. That's it. That's a little bit. Oh, that's it. That's a mode. with hand, by hand. No,
Started.
yeah, start fixing by hand.
Life made easy by Milwaukee, huh?
That's a good tool. That's good.
Ta-da! Engine is installed. There you go. Thank you for watching. No. Another bolt right there.
Okay. So I got this.
Bungee cord.
Yeah.
That was quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
20 minutes. And I'll spend 2 days connecting everything. Putting a ball joint back.
Yeah, put ball going back. Now we lift it up and put nuts. See? I saved the bolts and everything. Like this. See? Bolts and fuse. That's a really
Securing the ball joint.
now we just put after I type everything.
Yeah.
You know, tie the nuts.
And now you can even,
Check me
if
how
you have to move the car,
Yes,
you
that's
just
a
put a
pull
wheel,
tie, yeah.
and now the car can be moved
That's
left, right, back and forward. And now I have to go check how much torque.
Check
And
how
this-
much torque.
Axle nut is 310 Newton meters, so whatever that comes to the pounds. Oh, the old man is pretty amazed. He was concerned that it was 310 Newton meters, but when he tightened it, the old markings from the factory came to the place, so it was the same, which is good.
You see, that's the old market. That's I showed you. That's the knack inside again.
Oh, this comes in. Okay, I see. I see what you mean. So this is the safety. Instead of a pin going through, this gets punched in, goes into that little groove.
See, that's really that. Look, it's a before. It's like this. Tunnel. See the marker, red marker.
Yeah.
Same.
At first he was a little bit concerned that it was like too much of the weight. Too much. Okay, so just to kind of wrap it up right now, so the engine is in finally, thank God. Yeah. So next thing we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to reconnect everything back and then put the lights on and put a bumper. It's gonna be in part 2 of the engine install. This is it for today. We are wrapping up. It's kind of late and I'm tired and I'm hungry. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then,